Morning, guys. This is Norm with Bear Bull Traders. Today is October 26, 2018. Here's my recap for today. One and done day. Microsoft, at the open, it was gapping down around 2%. It came in, you can see on the 15-minute chart from yesterday. This is yesterday, the previous day close up here, right around 108.30. So it fallen off 2%. Open extremely strong. You can see in the 5-minute candlestick here. Came in good volume. I took this at 106.08 when it held, came back, tested VWAP and held right there. It refused to break, so I went ahead and took the trade. My stop would have been just below VWAP, which at the time VWAP was 105.95. Stop loss probably it was 105.90, so 18 cents to the downside. And my first target going up was this level, this moving average right here on the 15, which is the 50 moving average on the 15. That was 106.55. I took off 25%. Second profit target, I took off another remaining 25% at that next moving average, 106.75. Then I had this level of 107.38 on my chart, which it came up, and I missed hitting the hotkey to get out of it that quickly, but it gave me another shot. I took it there, and then I was going to hold to see if I could get it to go red to green, which is a stretch. 108.30, it was another almost dollar. But I had about 20% of my shares left and thought I'd hold on. I put a stop. I put a range order in to either stop me out or sell half of those just below 108 and then the rest at just below previous day close. Those did not fill, and the market turned around quickly. I apologize for that. Market turned around quickly, and while I was in the middle of this trade, you can see SPY all of a sudden just started to dump with way increased volume. I kept hearing Andrew and other people calling out all these shorts, that everything was going down, short at will and such. So that was happening right in this area. When it broke this 5-minute low, I figured I'd hang on till this moving average. If it broke that, I was going to get out. Turned out to be the correct call, and I saved some profits on that. I think the rest of that stopped out at 106.68 was what I had, just a few cents below that moving average there. But I mean, it went well down, almost $1 below my original entry eventually when the market sold off. So anyway, one and done for the day. Minimal commissions. I'm not feeling that great, so it takes care of the day. I don't have to worry about it anymore. I can take care of other stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments or questions. Thanks for watching. Take care.